Hi, I'm Nate Swoboda, president of Wichita Home Works. First, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to meet with us in your home and walk us through your project. We know this can be a major investment, not just financially, but also in time, trust, and the planning it takes to do it well. That's exactly why we take this process seriously and why we want to be thorough before construction ever begins. At this point, we've had a chance to see the space, talk through your goals, and discuss a rough range or ballpark budget. The next step is the design agreement. Once that agreement is digitally accepted and the design fee is paid, we'll schedule your design appointment. At that appointment, our estimator, drafter, and designer will all be involved. The estimator will walk the team through the project details. The drafter will measure the existing space, and the designer will spend time understanding your style, your goals, and the selections that will help bring the project together. From there, our team begins building the plan. The drafter creates the as-built drawings of your existing space along with the proposed drawings for the new design. Once those preliminary drawings are ready, we move into your selection appointments, where your designer works with you to choose the materials and finishes for your project. After selections are made, the drafter updates the drawings, renders those materials into the design, and puts together the final plan set. This includes the technical details our team and trade partners need to understand how the project is supposed to be built. Once that final plan set is ready, we schedule a trades walk at your home. This is where our estimator, designer, suppliers, and trade partners walk the project in person. This allows them to inspect the space, ask questions, confirm details, and provide more accurate pricing. After the trades walk, we make any final revisions, gather updated pricing, and complete an internal review with our estimator, drafter, and designer. We go back through original notes, drawings, selections, revisions, and trade feedback to make sure every part of your project has been accounted for. This process takes time, but that time is what allows us to plan your project the right way. Our goal is to eliminate surprises, protect your budget, and make construction go as smoothly as possible once we begin. When everything is complete, we'll meet with you in person to review the final design, scope, pricing, and contract. From there, moving forward is as simple as approving the contract and making the initial deposit. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you, and we're excited to help bring your project to life.